going to see how to remove the ambiguity from the context-free grammar. Normally here we have two possible methods for removing the ambiguity from the given context-free grammar. One is removal of left recursion, and second method is left factoring. Left factoring. These are two methods we are going to take for the removal of ambiguity. Right? Now, let's see by one after the other how we are going to remove the ambiguity. So here, removal of left recursion. If the production is of the form A derives A alpha or beta. If the production is of the form A derives A alpha or beta, then which is going to be replaced by A derives beta A dash derives alpha A dash or epsilon. This is the new rule we are going to consider for the elimination of ambiguity with the help of removal of left recursion. Let us take one simple example how we are going to remove that. So take example as like this. E derives E plus T or T. T derives T star F or F. F derives E or IT. Okay, grammar we are going to consider for the removal of left recursion. Okay, here we can see in the first production the LHS and the start of RHS contains the same symbol, right? So which is nothing but left recursion form. A derives A alpha or beta, right? Go for second production which is also having the same formula, that is removal of left recursion, right? So after applying this rule for the first production, that is E derives E plus T or T. So here this is A alpha is plus T and beta is T. According to this removal of left recursion, the production will be like this. A is E and beta is T and A dash. A dash is nothing but E dash. Now, what is E dash here? E dash is alpha. Alpha is plus T dash or epsilon. Now move on to second production. So this is also of the form left recursion form. So which is going to be removed by. So here T is A and alpha is star F and then beta is F. Right? Now T derives, what is beta here? F and T dash. T dash derives, what is alpha? Star F T dash or epsilon. Now you can see the third prediction here. We don't have any ambiguity, right? Why? Because which is not in the form of this left recursion. So no need to do any operations on this particular prediction. So after removal of left recursion from this context-free grammar, the resultant grammar will be like this. E derives T dash, E dash derives plus T dash or epsilon. T derives Ft dash, T dash derives star Ft dash or epsilon. F derives E or Id. This is how we are going to remove the left recursion from the context-free grammar. This is nothing but this grammar is free from ambiguity. Right? Now move on to second method. Okay, move on to second method, which is left factoring. observe the grammar production. So if the production is of the form A derives alpha beta 1 or alpha beta 2 or alpha beta 3, so on and so forth, alpha beta n followed by gamma. If the production is like this, then which is going to be replaced by a new productions as like this. A derives alpha A dash or gamma. A dash derives beta 1, beta 2, so on and so forth, beta n. This is the rule for left factoring for removal of ambiguity. Let us take simple example for this. S derives I, E, T, S or I, E, T, S, E, S or small e. Now you can observe this production which is of the form like so this is S is A and alpha is here. I am going to consider this. Here also alpha is IETS alpha. Here beta 1 epsilon here. Here beta 1 is epsilon. Here beta 2 is ES. This is for gamma. Right? Gamma is always a terminal. Now how we are going to remove this ambiguity from this by using left factoring? That is, what is A here? Yes. S derives alpha. What is alpha here? IETS. IETS. Okay. So alpha A dash. A dash is nothing but S dash only. Or gamma. What is gamma over here? Small a. Right? Now, what is S dash here? So what is A dash? Beta 1, beta 2, beta 3, so on and so forth, beta n. What is beta 1 here? Epsilon is the 1. What is beta 2? E? Yes. Here I am going to take one more production, that is E derives small b. Okay. So for this second production we don't have any ambiguity. So directly I am going to write as it is. This is a resultant unambiguous grammar after removing the ambiguity by taking left factoring method. Just we need to remember this. Thank you everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed this session. If you like this session, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any queries, you can place your queries in the comment section. Thank you.